Do you like the idea of having energy efficient and comfort capturing vinyl replacement windows and patio doors, but you aren't sure of what's involved in the installation process? Well, stay tuned, because in this episode, we're going to answer 6 of the most commonly asked vinyl replacement window installation questions. This is the 2-minute window. At Jantek Windows, we not only manufacture all of our own windows and patio doors, but also our employees have installed more than 500,000 vinyl replacement windows and patio doors over the last 26 years. So we're kind of experts in the window and patio door installation business as well. Over the years, we've heard every installation question under the sun. So let's get right into some of the most important and common questions. First, how long will it take to install my windows? An experienced and well-trained installation crew should be able to install about 10 windows in a workday. Of course, this number could vary significantly, lower or higher, based on the experience of the contractor that you hire to do your job. The other thing that could affect the time is the condition of your things like accessibility for the crew to get at the window openings. The condition of the rough openings like wood rot, the opening is out of square, a lot of shimming has to go on. These could have an impact on the length of your installation as well. Also, if your house was built prior to 1978, it will require that the contractor perform a lead test to see if there's lead-based paint around the window openings. This is required by the EPA, and that could lead to about 20% more time being added to your job. If you want to know more about that particular thing, the lead-based paint thing, go to episode 7 of this series, the 2-minute window, and that covers in detail the EPA lead paint law that applies to replacement window projects. The second question we get is, I don't want to replace all my windows. What's the minimum you'll do? Well, again, that's going to vary based on the window company. Now at Jantek Windows, we don't have a minimum, but a lot of companies do. There are good reasons to do as many windows as your budget will allow you. A job that's going to put about 10 windows a day, feel free to give us a call at Jantek for pricing information, no matter what quantity of windows you want to replace. The third question that we get, isn't it better to wait for warmer weather to install my vinyl replacement windows? Well, the short answer is no. Of course, there's always a longer answer, and it goes something like this. There's no reason that a window opening should be left open for more than about 10 to 15 minutes during the installation process. A well-trained installation crew ensures that there's not much opportunity for the temperature in your home to be affected, be it the heater or the air cooling system. As an example, before the old window is removed, Jantek's employee installers are required to check the opening for the size and compare it to the vinyl replacement window that was brought to the job for that opening. That's to ensure that there are no issues. We call this measure twice and cut once. The installers will stage the new window or patio door near to the opening prior to removing the old one, so that they don't have to rip it, take out the old one, and then run to the truck and get the window, and then, it adds time. Once the old window or the door is removed, the replacement window or patio door is immediately then inserted into the opening and secured. This is repeated for all the openings in the house or the building. When all the vinyl replacement windows and patio doors are set in their openings, then the crew will trim and seal the interior and the exterior of all the openings per the job requirement. The fourth question we get is, will you have to alter my window openings to fit the replacement windows? And the answer again is, it depends on the window company or the contractor doing the job. At Jantek, All of our windows are custom sized to within 1/8 inch of your specific openings. They're custom made. So there's never going to be the need to alter your existing opening. If you purchase from some companies or contractors, there are some that use stock size windows, we call it. And the installation crew may have to or may need to alter the size of your opening, either smaller or larger to make it, the window fit or the patio door fit into your existing opening. And this is also to make sure it fits properly to avoid leaks or operational issues as well. Depending on the extent of the operations, of the alterations, certain municipalities may require you to have permits for that. The fifth question, what exactly is included in the price and what should I expect on the day of installation? The window company should manufacture and then deliver your windows. And then you have had already, hopefully, an EPA lead safe test. And if lead is present, they should follow the EPA's lead safe work rules. It's that we talked about earlier. And watch episode 7 too. And they should do it at no charge to you. Remove your existing windows, patio doors. They remove them. They remove and replace shutters if present. They should inspect and remediate any wood rot issues in the opening that they uncover. Then they should secure your vinyl replacement windows and patio doors into the existing openings. They should install PVC coated exterior cappings over the existing wood trims, if any. They need to seal the exterior to the siding or the masonry with exterior silicone caulk. They need to finish trim and use paintable latex caulk to seal the window on the interior. They should clean up, vacuum the interior if there's dust or debris. Clean up all your exterior debris. Take all of your old windows and remove them from the property. They should perform a written multi-point job inspection upon completion of the work with you present. They should remove the product, they should go through the product and the installation warranty and how to get parts and service in the future should you need them. We require that they have you execute a certificate of completion that in no uncertain terms tells us you're pleased before you pay the balance due. The other question we get, the sixth question, is will I be able to reuse my existing window coverings after my new ones are installed? In most cases, the answer is yes. However, the vinyl replacement window master frame may be thicker than that of your old window frame, especially if you had metal windows or old vinyl new construction windows. In that case, you will experience some loss of sill, is what we call it. If your window coverings are anchored on the wall surface outside of the window pocket, then there's not going to, it's mostly probable that you're going to not need to do any alterations and you can just reuse what you had. If the current window coverings are installed on the interior of the pocket, adjacent to the window frame, you may still be able to reuse them unless, of course, the pocket depth remaining is too narrow to anchor the original hardware. This can be the case with wide profile window treatments that are typically anchored inside the window pocket, such as an internal shutter type internal shutters, we'll call them, or very wide panel blinds. So hopefully I've answered some of your questions about the installation part of the replacement window project. There's a lot more expertise on this and other replacement window and patio door topics at the jantekwindows.com site. and on Jantek's Facebook page and our YouTube channel. But of course, you should feel free to call us and talk to a replacement window and patio door expert whenever you want, because we're here to help you. And until next time, I'm Frank G. from Jantek Windows. And remember, save energy, capture comfort.